Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1 2 Step. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your Snapchat if your memories are not showing. So first of all, open your mobile phone and open your Snapchat application. Now after you have opened your Snapchat application, as you can see here, my memories are showing and it is working all fine. But if your Snapchat memories aren't working, then go to your profile, go to settings, that is on the top right button, click on it and scroll down. Now scroll down until you get account actions that says clear cache. As you can see here, click on it and click continue. Now wait for a while as it is clearing cache from your Snapchat. Now when you clear your cache, it won't delete any of your memories, snaps or chat, but it clears all the cache, so it will be easier for you in the near future. Now your Snapchat has successfully cleared all the caches. As you can see, my memories are still there, and if it is still not working, then just power off your mobile phone up to 2 minutes or 3 minutes and turn it back on and it will work again. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.